Welcome to the Austrian German tutorial, SERVUS. In this video we are going to take a look at 10 important school and college items. Whenever you take a course or need something for learning, this tutorial tries to help you. We will cover words like Füllfeder, Mappe, oder Radiergummi. So let's dive in, los geht's. The learning goal of this tutorial is to learn 10 important words for school or college items in Austria. Let's start with the first word, Füllfeder. Any idea what Füllfeder could mean? In Austria, a Füllfeder is the standard fountain pen used in school, especially in primary school. In Germany, people might say Füller, but in Austria we say Füllfeder. The second word is Tixo. Any wild guess what Tixo could mean? It's one of the most famous Austriacisms. Tixo is the Austrian word for sticky tape or Scotch tape, named after the brand Tixo. It's just like Kleenex in English. In Germany, Tesafilm is more common, but in Austria we use Tixo. The third word on our list is Mappe. Any idea? A Mappe is a folder for worksheets, drawings or tests. There are Schnellhefter, Zeichenmappen, Flügelmappen and so on. Mappe means folder. Number 4 on our list is Radiergummi. Radiergummi. In Austria we say Radiergummi for eraser. It's essential for every school bag. Sometimes it's just called Radierer, but Radiergummi is more common. The fifth school item, Farbstifte. Farbstifte. Do you know what that could be? Farbstifte are colored pencils. A set of Farbstifte is a must-have, especially in primary school. The next word is Kleber, or also called Uhu. In Austria, the most famous glue brand is Uhu, and therefore kids often say Uhu instead of glue. But Kleber and Uhu both mean glue. Sometimes it's also a glue stick. It's often used as a brand synonym, just like Tixo. Our seventh school item is Block or Notizblock. And block refers to a writing pad, notebook or a notepad. A block can be kariert, which means squared, oder liniert, meaning lined. College block, which means spiral notebook, is also very popular in Austria. The next word is rather old school, but nevertheless, it's important, namely Kreide. Kreide. Any wild guess? Kreide is the Austrian word for chalk, so we need it when we write something on the blackboard. Kreide. Number 9 is a very important item, namely Bleistift. Bleistift, any wild guess? Bleistift is the word for pencil. This goes for Austria and Germany, Bleistift. And the pencil sharpener is called Spitzer. And number 10 on our list is Tarfer. Every Austrian classroom has a Tarfer, and Tarfer means blackboard. Sometimes you also find a whiteboard. Now let's check out 5 examples in which we use our words. Number 1. Ich hab meine Füllfeder vergessen. I've forgotten my fountain pen. Ich hab meine Füllfeder vergessen. Second example. Gib mir bitte ein Tixo. Please give me a Tixo. Gib mir bitte ein Tixo. Third example. Wo ist meine Mappe? Where is my folder? Wo ist meine Mappe? Example number 4. Ich brauche ein Uhu. I need a glue. Ich brauche ein Uhu. Example number 5. Wer will was an die Tafel schreiben? Who wants to write something on the blackboard? Wer will was an die Tafel schreiben? I hope this tutorial helped you to become more familiar with typical school items in Austria. If you want to know more about Austrian words, please check out the videos and playlists on my channel. Thanks a lot for watching the Austrian German tutorial. See you in the next video. Have a nice day. Auf Wiederschauen, Servus und Baba.